Hi Mohit, welcome to Startup Studio with Idol. Before we begin, please introduce yourself to the panel.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Mohit Rai. I study in class 7th and I am from Nagpur. I like to play football and cook food and play online games.
All right. Thanks for introducing yourself, Mohit. So tell us, what's your big idea?
My big idea is to collect the kitchen as well as garden waste from other people's houses and make compost out of it. Instead of throwing it away, we can use it and to make something useful and eco-friendly.
Well, Mohit, we definitely agree with your idea, but I'm very curious, and I would, like to know the inspiration behind it. How did you, come up with this idea in the first place?
We often see that house as well as garden waste are thrown here and there, which is quite harmful for the environment. We everywhere you see pile of waste, and it really bothers me. It can affect our health, and it can be harmful for environment. So if we create something from using this harmful waste like compost, so we can protect ourselves and environment too. So this is my big idea.
Okay, that's lovely. And in fact, I'm told that there's an incident behind it. That there's a small story behind this entire thing. Is that right? And if yes, we would love to hear it. Why don't you tell your story to the entire audience?
Yes, once I was going to a restaurant with my father, and right outside that place we saw a bunch of beggars. It was also unhygienic. Then they saw us. They come towards my father asking for some money. My father was so sad to see them that they have took them to a restaurant to give them proper meal. But I was stuck near the pile of organic waste, just lying near the street. I thought that why we can't make anything interesting, anything better from that waste, and we can protect our environment from that waste.
Okay. I must say, Mohit, that I'm good to see such observation skills as well as problem-solving skills in kids of your age. Now, coming back to your main idea, can you tell us about the ingredients that you need to make this compost?
Yes, the ingredients that are needed for making compost are garden as well as kitchen waste like dry leaves, vegetable peels, eggshells, etc. But we cannot use the cooked food and oil product food, which like dairy products also we cannot use in our compost, and other materials include paper, carton, and egg cartons like that, etc.
All right. So you're saying that other material like in paper, egg carton, etc. These can be used or these cannot be used?
This can be used.
This can be used. Okay. But dairy products cannot be used.
Yes.
Okay. Now that sounds like something that we all should know. What all can go in making of the compost and what cannot. So quickly, tell us, how do you make this compost?
There are many ways to make compost. One of these ways is the hard composting method. In this method, we just need carbon, nitrogen, air, and water. We need a pile of waste in a big bucket. Nitrogen-rich ingredients are straw, paper, twigs, and carbon-rich ingredients are vegetable as well as fruit peels. Coffee are put in a bucket. All of that are covered with a cloth so that air can pass. We need to add water time to time. With this method, compost will be ready in 3 to 4 months.
It's very informative, Mohit, and you make it sound so easy. And I'm finding this discussion very, very fascinating. So, what next? What do you want to do with this company?
I want to sell it and make compost, organic compost popular. The raw material are easily available. So I will charge 30 to 40 rupees per kg on the basis of time and effort put in this process. The idea to match the pricing with the compost available in the market.
All right, Mohit. So that brings me to the next question. Who else is making organic compost? Have you done any research on your competitors?
Yes, there are too many companies which sells compost online, and one of my on which I researched is Pod Shakti. It also sells compost online on Amazon and other online websites. There are other companies too like Vermicompost and etc. which can be found online.
Okay, so it's good that you've done your research. Now, what about their pricing? Any analysis done on that? So basically, what sets you apart from them?
Yes, their pricing are slightly on the higher end, and their average is roughly rupees 50 to 60 per kg.
Well, Mohit, I'm just trying to figure out here, how do you plan to differentiate yourself? Would that be pricing? Is that your USP?
Well, that's one. But my main idea is not to enter competition. My vision is to stay local, maximize the upcycling of organic house waste, and then put the end product to good use.
Fair enough. Now let's talk about its execution, which is supposedly the toughest part. Who do you want to reach out, and how do you plan to collect its raw material?
Lots of people are eco-conscious, but they are too busy in their work to make compost. Some people want to do their bit for the environment, but they don't have any time to do that. They never realize that their simple kitchen waste can be useful for their for making their own compost. So I will be there to help them out. Initially, it will be collected from door to door. I will provide people a list of waste materials. I need to ask them to segregate them before handing over to me. As and when people become aware of my service, I will come up with the collection center in my neighborhood.
That sounds excellent, Mohit. So next, we would like to know how you plan to reach out to your target audience. How will you tell people about the service that you're providing?
I will be telling my neighbors, my friends about my service. They will give me raw material that I need. In order to sell my compost, I will connect different nurseries. For large reach, I will also reach out a plant store like Fons and Petal, which is a usual very big company in our country.
Wonderful. So, do you have a name for your service? And what should we call this eco-friendly endeavor of yours?
Yes, my name of my company is Green Life, and I also have a tagline which is upcycle your waste, and I have logo as well as for my company.
Well, that's very impressive, Mohit. I think you're all set to start your eco-friendly entrepreneurial journey. We wish you all the very best and thank you so much for sharing your idea with Evolve Startup Studios. More power to you and goodbye for now.
All the best, Mohit. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.